Yes, today I'm going to give the tutorial how to use the napeeducation.com. Before this one, I have got the many comments. There is the we are not getting the find the courses. So today I am making the one tutorial videos. See, in to open this napeeducation.com, you can go to the any internet browser, just as Google Chrome. But in the Opera Mini, I will just say that you will not prefer that one. And in this one address, you can keep the www.napeeducation.com. As you can see, this is the napeeducation.com. I'm giving the some introduction of this website. Actually, this website is prepared by the one teacher itself, and this napeeducation.com is especially going to be the target the students of the Nepal. So in the Nepal board, whatever the class 9 to 12, it is the useful for the students who are studying in the 9 to 12. So there is the you can see the home page has been opened, and this website is absolutely free. There is the no need of the you have to pay anything, but there is the only one thing so what happen. If you see the menu, there is the home. After that course, you can get any course up there. This is the one National Infotech. This is the one well reputed campus in the Birgans is situated. So the teacher who is preparing this one is also one of the instructor in this college. So he has given the class 12th and 11th whatever the test taking the internal. Their solution paper you can get in this menu. This is the NACO is also one organization which is associated with this one. After that, members whoever the login they is getting the information over here. There is no need to log in. No login you have to do in the only one case when you want to make the member become the member of the workbook. For this one you have to pay. It is the payable only. And for the workbook is the such type of the courses. In this one there is the question will be the given. You have to get the space to write the answer. You have to submit it. Then after that it will be the checked by the teacher and it will be the evaluated and it will be the sent to your email. In the home page down one if you come, what you can see, there are some of the videos are kept on the home page only, which will be the beneficial for the you. This is the for the class 10, also 11th, and there is the physics class 10, chemistry 10, biology 10. If you open this one also, you can click here. So this is the what will happen. This is the especially made of is a multiple choice question, or it helps you to think in the different ways of the different topic, and it helps to for the SEE it helps to solve the very short question too. So there is the force of gravitation, pressure like this, physics, chemistry, biology you can get. At the down one if you come, there is the at the footer you can get the entrance examination question paper for the MBBS. This is including the only those question paper which has been asked previously. So here you can get. After that, first comes to the in the course page. How can you use? So you have to go to if you want to go to the any classes. The first you have to the this course one, and it is the absolutely free app, and so you don't have to pay anything for this one. In the course page, you can see there is the course has been open. It is the old is gold for class 12th. It means what will happen? There is the solution of the class 12th has the previous question whatever the asked you are making the practice from the old is gold means previous question bank. That very short questions have been solved there, and shortly you get the answer of the short question too. This is the science for class 10. There is the written by this course in everyone, but you can see there is the free is written. You don't have to pay anything. It is for the zoology 11th. Suppose that I want to go to the zoology 11th. Either you can click at the by this course or maybe to the zoology 11th. So suppose that if I place the click the zoology 11, so you can see the page is going to be the open, which contains the contents of the class 11th of the Nepal board zoology. There is the overview. curriculum, instructor and reviews. Here you can click the curriculum. If you click curriculum, so there is the what will happen according to your syllabus, different parts has been given, there is the notes has been there. So suppose that if I am going to be the open paramecium external structure, so you can click there. So there is the after clicking you can happen. It is going to be the open the one page. Here is the heading has been given paramecium external structure, but in this one there is the notes has been given. Microsoft Word external structure of the paramecium. So you can click here. After this one, you can get the complete notes. This is the notes of the paramecium you can get here. One thing also I want to say, in this one there is the question diagram whatever the given, it is from the book also, as well as there is the handmade diagram also you can get, because the students have to write in the examination and draw the diagram is the language of biology, so we can't neglect the diagram, and you have to draw the diagram with the help of your hand. I means by taking the pencil in your hand you have to draw it. That's why I have tried to keep the diagram by drawing itself in the hand, as it, that helps the students how to draw, because in the diagram in the book and the diagram drawn by the hand there is a vast difference over there. So as same to book, it is a very difficult to draw. So how can you draw this one? You can see that is the unique thing of this website. All that diagram is the handmade. Also you can get the very whatever the notes you are getting, this is the in the very easy and effective language, very easy and effective language. As well as if you have the any type of the problem, there is the in the each and every question there is a comment over there, you can write down and you can get the answer of this one. So I think now by this tutorial like this, whatever the we have opened of the class 11, like this if you want to open up the class 10, you can want to open the class 9, all these things has been kept in this way only. You can open, you can go to the course page. In the course page whatever the class you want to go, you can go there, and in that one you can get the notes as well as videos. It is the website is going to be the progressing day by day, you are getting the everything over there, and it makes your easy to easy. I hope that you feel and you get the interesting to study the science. Yeah, thank you very much to watch this video.